Okay, now this range is, I don't know, about 24 feet. No, that's not right. I don't know, anyway, it's about 7 meters, if you know what that is. About a yard, a bit smaller. Anyway, you can see it's sort of pretty good. Sticks to the windows because it is darts. Very good. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention. It's got these 2 holes here, so you can stick darts in there to hold them, so you don't have to carry around a whole bunch of darts in your pockets. Anyway, same distance for the blaster. Pretty nice. Okay. Not so good because I haven't modded this one. This is a different cocking mechanism, so basically this little wimpy pistol is better than this big 10-shot blaster thing. Except for the fact you have to reload. So yeah, that's about all I can say. Other than probably shooting some darts at the camera. I'll do that. Prepare to die! I've got to turn that up and watch that in replay, so bye. This is insert name here 000 signing off.